what do you think about our company? Can you leave a comment?
New renovation company is very professional. They're calm, cool. They get things done on time, in timely manner. We started November 13, finished it by March 20th. 65 rooms. He told me 30 rooms for 25 rooms, 30 days for 25 rooms. He got it done in timely manner. A lot of things came in between, renovation ongoing, but they were calm and cool, and they got it done in timely manner. Thank you.
This is how it's supposed to work.
I couldn't have asked for more professionalism. You guys were funny, you were upbeat, there was never a scowl. Even when we had snafus where deliveries were late or whatever, you guys just kept right on going, kept smiling, and was still professional. So I'm very happy with the outcome, and I'm very pleased with you guys. And I suggest it to anybody.
The hotel was renovated last time 10 years ago. Right now this design called Formula Blue, Holiday Inn Formula Blue. This is completely different style. Please note that in this design they have extra elements like LED light on the furniture, on the wardrobe, also on a TV panel, that LED light, also on the headboards, on each headboard that LED light. And it looks very nice, clean and modern. This is very beautiful.
This is the first renovation I've ever been through, so I was really nervous and apprehensive, but I'm very pleased with the outcome. I really am. You guys did an amazing job. It's beautiful. You were professional. You handled my staff professionally. You handled my guests professionally.
We in the lobby and following the design project increased the space by removing this wall. It was wall right here, so we removed it. And separate the dining area with the breakfast area. We're in the breakfast area, and all millwork, all cabinets was built by our furniture company that we own.
I think if I could redo this again, if I'm going to start in November, I'm going to probably start third floor and probably skip the second floor, because that's a time where in the month of December that is a little bit quieter time, and I think we should have just done the lobby and the breakfast room, and kind of, because we have less guests at that time, so we should have done that and went back up on the second floor to finish the project. That would have kind of helped a little bit more, but so that's what my suggestion is for the next project, is probably to do third floor or fourth floor, whatever the floor that other people has, and try to get the lobby done in a slower time instead of getting into busy season. But they were very professional with my guests, myself, to take care of anything they had in the way. They were polite with my guests, so they were a little less inconvenience. So
the most important thing in renovation is pay attention to the details. For these top surround shower panels, the lines has to be perfectly matched right here, and the joint in the corner, the gap supposed to be small as possible with a minimum amount of silicone. In this project, in the corridor, we put on the floor, we installed carpet squares. In those cases, when it's carpet in a roll, we usually install in one solid piece. In that way, we don't have any seams on the floor. The length of the corridor usually starts from 150 feet.